Hello guys, welcome back. बहुत टाइम से lot of people have asked me that do you use Notion? If you use it, how do you use it as a designer, even as a student? Because I'm still in a college. So how does a student freelance graphic designer uses Notion? And what all tools does he use? How does he optimize his life and get things done? Because a lot of people ask me that तेरे पास दिन में 50 घंटे है, how do you get so many things done? So this is the thing. Notion is the place where you want to get things done, where you want to organize your life. So basically half of my life is in Notion, so it does all the work for me, and it's like an assistant, or like you say, like a manager for you. And in this video I'm going to be showing what exactly I use Notion for, how do I use it. And yeah, I hope after this video you start using Notion. It's a very interesting and pretty good tool. Even if you're not a graphic designer, in general, if you have work and a lot of work, you should use Notion and optimize it to the max. So let's get into it. Perfect. So and this video also I have put my script in Notion. So this is what Notion looks like if people who don't know. So we'll open this, and here you see this layout where there's a big screen right here showing YouTube script and all. This is one of the tabs I have open, and on the left if you see, these are multiple tabs, and if you go through it, there is simple budget, YouTube script, content calendar, designer, it's my company called Designer, and task to do, and you can add these cute icons. Notion is super customizable. I love how customizable you can get into it. Then goals right here. I think this one you all must be knowing because ये मैंने अपने Instagram story पे डाला था, and I have checked off finally that I will meet Aman Gupta by 2024. So वो चीज़ checked off होगी, and ये सिर्फ मेरा एक college assignment है जो मुझे अभी submit करना है in 10 days. So just ignore that. Let's start by the basic, that this is the profile. This is Anik Jain's Notion, and here is a search bar. Here you can search whatever database I have put in Notion. For example, मैंने कोई college assignment डाला है, तो I'll just quickly search seminar करके there is my advanced teacher seminar. ये मेरा एक course है जो मैंने डाला हुआ था Notion में. So I can quickly search, and because you put a lot of things, so आधी चीज़ याद नहीं रहते कि कहाँ क्या है. So that is why it is there. Updates होते हैं, new page, and this is the new thing relatively जो मैंने अभी start करके use करना है, is Notion projects. I think last week के update में this thing came, and you can have your task, projects and everything right here. ये थोड़ा complicated लगता है, so let's go to a simple thing. And starting with simple things, so we start with simple budget. So editor, just blur this out because I can't really show this on the internet. So Atharva, he's my editor, he will do a good job at blurring it out. So we'll go ekdam last mein, and I'll show you how I maintain my budget as a designer, as a not a freelancer. I was a freelancer, but as a business owner, as someone who takes clients work, how do I set budgets right and how do I do it? So for example, ignore everything जो ऊपर है. Let's create a new thing. So for example, this is a simple budget tab, and this is a template which is already existing on Notion. So ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको सब scratch से बनाना है. You can create this template on your own by just going to templates, and वहाँ पे you just type simple budget or money, whatever, and this template will come. Here I have created 5 to 6 different categories. One is, if you see upper, clients, then category. If you click on category, and it's all sorts की, अगर logo design है, packaging है, video बनाना है, templates बनाना है, what is the work about, then hashtag amount, and this amount is the amount which I have received in my account. Then it is the status, and whether amount half है, full है, क्या है, and balance कि कितना बाकी है, and first payment. And text is important because ये payment कहाँ पे आया, is it in cash, is it in my account, is it in some other's account, वहाँ पे, and then second payment. So let's say we got a client right now and they paid us 50,000 rupees. So we'll create and new client, obviously नाम लिखता है वहाँ पे, you click enter. So new client save हो गया. Then here you click and you select कि let's say logo design के लिए the client के, you select logo design. अगर ज़्यादा है, so let's say packaging also, दोनों हो गया. Then here we will not put anything because the client hasn't paid us yet. So यहाँ पे we will write pending, and the work order which we have got is 50,000. And make sure the values you put INR if you want to do it in Indian rupees, or you can do it in dollars or any other currency. And these details I won't fill because we haven't gotten the payment. And for example, we got the payment, मुझे अभी payment मिल गया. So I will go here, I will write 25,000. Sorry. and here I will put half and cancel the pending, and here I'll put 25,000 because obviously half होता है, and then इधर June 22nd डाल दिया 22nd, and कहाँ पे आया Annex account. So that is how everything is maintained, and even this can be searched. For example, client का name रखा है Rajiv, Yash, whatever. So you can just search on the search bar and you will get the exact payment, because this just keeps you informed कि कौन से client का payment आया है, क्या काम चल रहा है, किसका payment बाकी है. So this all budgeting, everything is done by this. Next we go on to YouTube script. These are all my YouTube videos I have uploaded till now, and जो भी white में दिख रहे are the videos I still have to upload. So basically I write scripts of all my videos, and जो भी uploaded इनको read कर लेता हूँ. So if you see everything is like a, okay, not this, but everyone is like a detailed script right here. And you must be asking how to create this. So create a blank document, okay? Press enter. Okay, now you have this blank thing. Make sure you press /H and 2. So H2 is heading 2, you can put H1 बड़े heading के लिए, you can put H3 small heading. I'll put H2, I press enter. Now the heading 2 tab came. Now I will press shift and press this arrow key, and I will press spacebar. It will become like a drop down menu. So here I will write logo design process YouTube video. So this was what I've written, and then I can close this and open this, and when I've opened it here, to have bullet pointers, just press the dash and spacebar, and now whatever you write, enter, whatever you write, enter. And the best part is, whatever script you have written, just close it up. You don't have to see the mess, and everything is clean. So होता क्या है, after my video is done, so after I select it and I go to your color, text color, and I put on red, and there's a shortcut key also for that, command or control shift and H. So वो red हो जाता है. So that's how I know कि ये video upload हो चुका है. Now let's focus on the white ones जो upload नहीं हो चुके हैं. This is how I manage my YouTube scripts and stuff. Then we come to content calendar. This is what you see on Instagram. Okay, I create content on Instagram as well. तो ये आपको Insta पे दिखेगा. This is also a ready-made template of how to manage your content. 3 tabs है, idea, progress and published. यहाँ पे मुझे कुछ idea आ गया, I go down, यहाँ पे new idea पे I just type whatever idea came, I click enter, and it registers as an idea. Okay, then if I am going to shoot that idea, so I am going to take this and put it into progress कि मैं अभी इसके बारे में shoot कर रहा हूँ, I'm going to work on this. And the best part is you can open this as a separate tab, and here you can write more stuff about it. You can put the type कि क्या type का है, is it a tweet, video, whatever. That is like much into detail. But right now we'll just cover the basics. Progress में रखा, and after it is uploaded, just drag and put it to published. So you have an understanding कि क्या चीज़ publish हो रही है, what all is in process. So you don't have to remember things, because understand that our brain, हमारा दिमाग is not to remember things but to think creatively. So focus, let Notion do all the remembering stuff, and you should focus on the creativity part of it. Okay, so ये सब reels you must be knowing, Indigo 6C, generative AI, Yes Bank का logo, JLR का logo, all these things का मैंने पूरा script भी लिखा था. If you if you open this, सबका script लिखा हुआ है, and everything is published. That's why it's in the published category. Now 4th tab you come on to designer. This is my team right now. Currently there are 2 more people, but they are interns, but these are my full-time team. And if you see right here, it's also written the months, कितने months के हैं, and how, because these months are updated by Notion itself. मैंने सिर्फ डाल दिया कि they joined on this date, तो ये months वो खुद ही update कर लेते हैं. And your designation full-time editor, full-time designer, and ये भी full-time है, मैंने लिखा नहीं है. So yes, Pankaj को अपना फोटो डालना नहीं था, तो I was like, cool bro, okay, we'll just put this anime picture of you. Nikita Natharva, he's editing the video. So yeah, this is my team. I know a small team है. I want to make this like a 20 क्या बोलते हैं 20 people team. So yes, gonna work towards that. And I think I should put my this thing here, logo here. Okay, anyways, then we come to task to do. I have not used this since quite some time. I usually use a physical to-do list जिसका brand soon आने वाला है. I know you all have been waiting patiently. I don't use this that much, but कभी कभार sometimes I just use it. Okay, then we come to student dashboard. Okay, so if you are a student and if you want to put all your subjects into one place, all the assignments, due dates and everything याद नहीं रहता, it's very difficult and you're too lazy to write it down. Make sure you have the student dashboard thing. Here I have all my subjects and it looks simple, but a lot of data has been put into it. So you click here and this is one subject, who is the professor, what is the code, and what year it is, and these are the homeworks. And if you go down, all the details कि कौन सा ऑफिस नहीं एक्चुअली कॉलेज है, बट कौन सा कॉलेज है, कौन सा रूम नंबर है, लेक्चर कौन से डे पे है. इफ यू गो डाउन, टू डू लिस्ट, आई हैव टू डू दिस, ये इन प्रोग्रेस एंड कंप्लीट कुछ किया नहीं ऑब्वियसली बिकॉज I mean, yeah, you'll get it. Every one of them is too detailed and you don't have to put your brains कि मुझे क्या complete करना है. Just open Notion and check तुम्हें क्या complete करना है. That is there, and this is just a random one. मेरा TED Talk का script था. I just like quickly created a new tab, put TED Talk script. Here are all the pointers जो मैंने सिखाया how to make that, and this is, you know, all the script, everything right there. So yeah, and goals, I think you all have known. So people use Notion for like calendars and timetable. I haven't started using that. I still use Apple Ke reminders, or I use Google Calendar and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm going to optimize my Notion much more in a better way, but these are the things I currently use as a graphic designer, as a YouTuber, as a content creator, as a business owner, and yeah, just as someone who has a lot of work. So if you do, make sure you download Notion. It's free, bro. It's literally free. You don't have to pay anything. I didn't pay anything, and you can optimize yourself very like, quickly and very efficiently. So if anyone watching this video, I highly recommend you to use Notion. It's not a sponsored video or anything. I just love how Notion has changed my life drastically. And Notion, if you're watching this, let's work together. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something new, and I really want everyone to download Notion right now and start using it. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.